Today, I'm going to be working on this. Cue the intro. Enough of that, let's get to it. Today, what I'm going to hopefully get done is put the motor in it. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to empty it out, get all the crap that's inside it out of it, clean the engine bay, get rid of all the wiring that I don't need that's in the engine bay, clean it up for some reason, and just try and slam that twin cam in there. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so that'll do for now. Just got rid of all the bits and pieces that were lying in here for no apparent reason. I still need to get rid of the hood lining and the seat belts on the back seat, but that can wait for later. Right now, it's looking pretty good. So my mission now is to get rid of things like this, and that wiring for now I'll probably reuse that. I'll probably keep that in here as well, but all this sort of wiring's got to go. I'll make new stuff, new wiring for the headlights, and I'll also clean this grime off and then get it ready for the engine to go on. Alright, I'll clean the engine bay as much as I'm going to do it. I'm going to concentrate too much on it. But it's coming out pretty good, considering that it's still rusty-ish. Well, rusty. It's ready to throw the motor in almost. So this is the flywheel I'm going to be using, but it needs some machining. Like new. So next I'm going to chuck in this beer wing that is actually new. There's right there. pretty good. Works all the way home. Alright, that's ready to go. This box here is a KM132 out of a non-turbo 4DRIFT63 powered car, so Sigma, Galan. This was the box that was behind that single cam turbo motor that I have no idea if it runs or not. Yet again, I don't know if this box is any good or not. I'm going to pray that it works. I'm going to put it behind this motor and then I'm going to shove it into the car. So that only took 2 hours more than what I thought it was. Obviously it's dark time. Note to self, don't install an engine on soft-wet grass. So the motor's in. Hopefully this will give me the motivation to carry on with this thing. Now is all the hard stuff like plumbing, wiring, gotta get fuel pumps, possibly a surge tank. I'm going to be putting this together with a lot of rubbish stuff that I've got that I've been hoarding over the years, so we'll see how that gets on. As usual, follow the progress on the Facebook page. That's facebook.com/OSM Garage, or Instagram @OSM_Garage.